Make sure it doesn't go under the boat.
The water is beautiful. Look at the color.
Oh man, look at the size.
Amberjack? Holy shit. It's a big ass king. Holy crap. It's a big ass kingfish.
Kingfish.
8 degrees of water. You got a kingfish.
Tell me when to slow down.
Go ahead. We're going to wear him out.
What, near him?
Big ass kingfish.
And then we'll get a picture.
I'm taking pictures, Michael.
Oh, you are? Okay, good. Oh, whoa! Baby!
Holy crap! I've never caught a kingfish with this.
Whoa!
That's the biggest looking kingfish
size
I've
of
ever
that.
caught.
That's awesome.
Hope you don't mind blood your boat.
No. Oh, I don't mind. That's why I took
I
the
got
rug
pair of
off.
pliers, I'll get it off.
Yeah, I got a pair of pliers.
There you go, buddy. Come right at us. We're going to ride your wake. They're coming right at us.
Here come
You're
dolphins.
going to be able to see them really good too in the water. Look at them. Beautiful. Here they come. Here they come. 2, 4, 6. They're riding our wake. They're riding our wake. Look at them. Look at them.
Whoa, they're so cool.
Look at them. It's on the bow. Right on the bow. There must be 8 of them. There's 2 of them. Look at them. Look at them. Sometimes they come in and look at you. And they turn like this. They're looking at you. Well, they dropped off. Turtle? Oh, that's awesome. They're going to do the same thing. That's cool.
Oh my god.
Little baby, little baby.
Babies.
Oh, he dropped off.
Oh my gosh.
Holy.
Look, it's right there.
Oh my gosh. David, come up here.
Dad, there's like 15 right here.
Oh, cool.
That's so cool.
That
That
cool?
one's upside down.
Look at them. They turn sideways like that.
Dad,
Oh,
I'm
bunches.
looking
Look
at
at more
15
of them.
right now. Look at that one. That was huge.
That's huge.
There's more coming. Here come more.
Go faster, go faster.
Faster, faster.
Oh, you just slapped his tail at us.
No, but they're not. They're swimming away. You gotta go faster so they keep up. Oh, it's right there. Oh.
I want to pet one.
What happened if I jumped on him?
You probably wouldn't like it.
Oh, that's so cool. Look at that.
That's pretty neat.
Oh, they just went away.
Yeah, they like to ride the wave.